Currently, global food security is facing significant challenges. According to the United Nations, the world population is expected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050, placing increasing pressure on the food production system. Along with that, climate change, the depletion of natural resources, and complex socio-economic issues make ensuring sufficient food for everyone a challenging task. In this context, modern technology and machinery are emerging as some of the most effective solutions to enhance agricultural output and quality while ensuring the sustainability of the food supply chain. One of the most evident benefits of applying machinery in food harvesting is the ability to enhance productivity and production efficiency. Modern harvesting machines are equipped with advanced technologies such as automation systems and sensors, allowing for faster and more accurate harvesting. This is particularly important in ensuring that crops are harvested at the right time, maximizing yield and quality. For example, in the wheat farming industry, combine harvesters can process thousands of hectares of land in a short time, helping farmers save time and labor. Similarly, in the fruit farming industry, automatic picking machines can harvest each fruit without damaging the tree or the fruit, preserving the quality of the product. A common issue in agricultural production is post-harvest loss, where a large amount of produce is damaged or wasted due to inefficient harvesting methods. Modern machinery, with intelligent design and precise control capabilities, can significantly reduce these losses. For example, in rice harvesting, using machinery helps reduce spillage and prevents the rice from lodging, which protects the quality of the rice grains and minimizes damage from adverse weather conditions. This not only helps preserve yield, but also enhances the economic value of the product. Machinery not only helps increase productivity, but also plays a crucial role in ensuring food quality and safety. With modern technology, harvesting equipment can perform tasks with precision and consistency, thereby helping to maintain high quality in food products. Furthermore, using machinery helps reduce dependence on manual labor, which can pose risks to food safety. Automation in harvesting and processing minimizes the risk of contamination and pollution, ensuring that products delivered to consumers are safe and meet high-quality standards. With the growing population, food demand is also increasing. Machinery helps farmers boost food production by harvesting more efficiently, processing larger volumes, and meeting rising demands. This is particularly important in densely populated areas or regions frequently facing food shortages. For example, in developing countries, the adoption of modern harvesting machinery has helped reduce food shortages, enhance self-sufficiency, and improve the livelihoods of millions of people. Machinery not only enhances productivity, but also helps reduce production costs by decreasing reliance on manual labor and optimizing production processes. This results in lower food prices, making food more accessible to consumers, especially in developing countries with low average incomes. This reduction in costs also helps governments manage and distribute food more effectively and stabilize the market during periods of economic fluctuation. Modern machinery in agriculture not only enhances production, but also plays a crucial role in environmental protection. Today's harvesting equipment is designed with environmental friendliness in mind, from reducing fuel consumption to minimizing soil disturbance and ecosystem disruption. Additionally, the application of automation technology and sensor systems in machinery helps manage and use resources more efficiently, reducing waste and negative environmental impacts. This contributes to the goal of sustainable development, ensuring that future generations will also have adequate food to live on. Climate change is a major challenge for global agriculture, with extreme weather events such as droughts, floods, and storms occurring more frequently. Modern machinery, with its ability to operate effectively in harsh conditions, helps farmers better cope with climate changes. For example, machinery can help harvest quickly before a storm arrives or assist in processing waterlogged land after a flood. This not only protects crops, but also ensures that the food supply remains uninterrupted during difficult times. Although machinery offers many benefits, the initial investment cost for modern equipment can be a barrier for many farmers, especially in developing countries. To address this issue, supportive policies from governments and international organizations are needed, such as providing low-interest loans or subsidy programs to help farmers access modern machinery. The use of machinery requires farmers to be trained in how to effectively operate these devices. Therefore, training programs and technology transfer initiatives need to be strengthened to help farmers acquire the necessary knowledge and skills for operating and maintaining machinery. All technologies are suitable for every region. Therefore, the development and implementation of harvesting technologies must be tailored to fit the climatic conditions, soil types, and farming practices of each area. Conclusion. The application of machinery in food harvesting is not merely a technological improvement, but a crucial factor in ensuring global food security. Machinery helps enhance productivity, reduce post-harvest losses, improve product quality, protect the environment, and address climate change. Achieving this goal requires strong support from governments, international organizations, and close cooperation among stakeholders. In the future, the continued development and application of machinery technology in agriculture will play a key role in ensuring that the world will have sufficient food.